This video is about site plan. The fence line, double fence line that is surrounding the floor plan is the wall fence. So that's the boundary of the plot. Then there is an entrance gate there. So that free space there that I'm touching there is the gate. So that's the entrance to the plot. This sketch was done by a client. You can see that the line of the boundary line, which is the fence, is at 90 degrees. Most times, most plots are not always, the boundary of most plots are not always on 90 degrees. Building on fence is not accepted according to building regulation. You can see that very building is tall with the veranda is built on the fence. It is not always advisable because it is against building regulation, and that can lead to demolition of that very building. So it's always advisable to have setbacks before the position of the building. Every building should have its own setbacks, whether it's a gatehouse, whether it's for store or whatever it is. The minimal setbacks must be maintained. Whether the building is at the entrance, that's where the road is, then if it's along the road, or maybe the building is built on the fence at the back, it is not always advisable. So according to what this person did, he built the store on the fence. So what I'll have to do is to create setbacks, the minimum setbacks that is required based on what is going to be built there. Minimum setbacks that is required, I'm going to place that setbacks before positioning the building. So I'm just trying to sketch out to explain that the building is not supposed to be built on the fence. So that's the space that is required, that is supposed to be there. This is just a sketch, but when I want to draw it out, I'll have to give the actual measurement for the setbacks. So this is just a sketch representation of what I'm going to do. Now for the main floor plan, you can see that the main floor plan has the setbacks at the back and also at the sides. So the setbacks that is there for a residential